Hello everyone, and welcome back to Useful How-To Videos. My name is Mike Sands, your guide to solving tech-related issues. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful content. Today we're diving into the world of Logic Pro X, which is a fantastic DAW that allows you to create and produce music. Hey guys, so if you're looking to, what do you do now once you have finished creating a project in Logic Pro and you want to create an audio file from it? How do you do that? Well, that's the purpose of this video. We're going to show you quite simply how you can do that. Okay, so what we're going to do is the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take a mental note to where the start of the project and the ending of the project. So it's going to start on track 1, or on measure 1, sorry, and this particular project is going to end, we want it to end at measure 69. Okay, so one way to do that is we're going to go to File, and then we're going to go to Bounce, and because we want the entire project, we're going to select project or section. Okay, if you wanted a particular region, then there's a way to do that as well, region in place, but today, like I say, this is just for the entire project. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to select project or section, and these options come up. So let's take a look at the options. The destination, we want it to be an MP3 file. You always want to be that MP3. You'll notice here you have the option to also burn to CD or DVD. That's more complicated option if you have it set up to do that. I don't. So yeah, so we said we wanted to start at measure 1 and then end at measure 69. So you can go up or you can move the start and stop point by moving these arrows here. Okay, we're going to 69. Okay, so it's going to stop at measure 69 beat 4. Okay, and then we have the option of whether we want it to bounce real time or offline. The difference between the two: real time is actually when it's bouncing, you'll hear the music. Offline is just gonna bounce for you, and you're not gonna hear anything. It's actually doing it offline or in the background. Offline, in my opinion, goes much quicker, but you won't hear the music. So if we go through normalize on, there's something else here that I think it's quite catchy. Well, not catchy, but something to enter into file details or audio details, and we can edit it by hitting this ID3 settings, and then we can go here and we can change this, change the track number, artist, subtitle, composer. Just different information that we can it tells you different information about the song itself. So simply double click on those, and you can type in the details that you want, copyright, blah 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 blah. Okay, and you want to do that so when now it's published or it's bounced or the audio file is made, these details will be saved along with it. You can choose the initial key of the song, and some other information that is quite useful for any audio file that may be listening in a car or CD or whatever information you think it's good to be communicated with an audio file. Okay, and if you look at the bottom here, it tells you the required amount of disk space that you will need for this audio file. So if you hit audio OK, then the next page should be a way of asking you now, where do you want to save that file? So you just select where you want to save that file, and then you hit bounce. And then what happens now, so if I hit audio only and I hit bounce, so because we chose to do it offline, like I say, you wouldn't hear anything. See, it's just processing in the back now. But if it's real time, you would actually hear it record as the song is played. Okay, so you'll see this process window. It's bouncing. Not to prolong anything, but after it bounces, guaranteed the file will be saved in the location or destination that you specified about 20 seconds ago, like I showed you. Alright guys, so hopefully this helps. If you have any questions, please feel free to let me know. Otherwise, thanks guys. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share, and subscribe for more how-to videos. Feel free to leave a comment if you have any questions or if there's a specific topic you'd like me to cover in a future video. Thanks for watching and see you on the next one.